Which one is the properties of environment? Which one of these is not an agent terminology? A rational agent should be. Which environment is used for the vacuum cleaner? The rule that maps a state to an action. What distinguishes an intelligent agent from a basic agent? What mechanisms are intelligent agents equipped with in AI? In a general sense, how does an agent interact with its environment? What is the purpose of learning mechanisms in intelligent agents? Which of the following is not a characteristic of intelligent agents? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.